More than just a beautiful face. More than just a striking physique. More than just a credible endorser. More than just a talented actress. She's all that and so much more.
She's a very intelligent actress. Such a joy to work with her. Pwede siyang mag-light, pwede siyang mag-heavy. Talagang angel siya. Happy birthday! I'm very, very happy for all your achievements.
A very generous actress. Pinag-aaral niya talaga yung kanyang role. Pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging matapang na artista.
Angel is definitely a God-sent angel here on earth because of the giving spirit that she has. Marami siyang natutulong, marami siyang nai-inspire. Happy birthday, Angel!
Yung features kasi ni Angel, parang international. Maganda yung balat niya. She has a small face. Ganda ng mata niya. Ganda ng neck. Mahaba. She does it very well. Everything.
Kung tutulong siya, bukal talaga sa kalooban niya at gusto niya talagang tumulong sa mga nangangailangan. In behalf of the Philippine Red Cross, happy birthday sa'yo.
Angel is a very nice person, jolly. She's generous to her family as well as other people. Girl, happy birthday. Always remain healthy, beautiful, and strong.
Live on ASAP XB, the country's favorite Angel surprises us once more. Please welcome the birthday girl, Angel Locsin.
birthday girl, Miss Angel Locsin! Luis, tulungan ko muna. Hi Angel! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! This is for you from Luis.
Wow naman!
Dito mo tayo sa harap.
Sa'yo ba to?
Yes. Oh, dahil sa kanya yan. Happy birthday, Angel.
Maraming salamat. Thank you, John.
Kanina, kinakabahan ka.
Sobrang!
Kita ka sa backstage, ha? Pero sobrang ganda.
Kanina na sumusunod.
Grabe. Lovely. Napakaganda ng number na yun.
Ano ang pakiramdam doing that number? Because you did exceptionally well.
Naintindihan ko si Tweety Bird. Gano'n pala yung feeling. Parang Tweety Bird ka lang. Ninervous talaga ako.
Wala kang masabi, no? Pero alam ko, may good friend here. Marami siyang gustong sabihin. So pare, anong masabi mo kay Angel?
Asus!
Hindi, ako naman, syempre, Jupe, happy birthday. Sabi ko,
Birthday din.
happy birthday. There's so
Text
much...
mo ako pagkatapos ka na.
Sige. Kaya ka muna. Hindi, I wish you the best in everything. Of course, ang daming nagmamahal sa'yo. At syempre, isa na ako dun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and congratulations. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa na
Thank you.
And, G-Force.
Fake tissue. Table tissue, please. Fake tissue. Fake tissue for Luis.
Yung bulaklak. Ay, thank you, G-Force. G-Force, kayo lang ang nakapagpapasayaw sa akin. So maraming salamat talaga. And of course, sa family ko, thank you. At pinagtsatsagaan niyo ako. Ikaw, magkamakulit
Marami kang gustong pasalamatan.
I have a long list of thank yous,
Yes,
Angel.
of course, maraming salamat po sa mga sponsors ko, Avon Colors, Avon Fragrances, Head & Shoulders, FNH, maraming salamat sa inyo. Myra E. Facial Moisturizer, Myra E. Hand and Body Lotion, Moss View, Modest, McDonald's, at abangan niyo po after... Okay,
Kayong dalawa na lang. Later, pare, later.
Ay, nako, kayo talaga. And
Angel,
after
please.
5 years po, babalik po ako ulit sa FHM, so abangan niyo po yan. Dr. Shana, Facial Care, and sa Red Cross family ko, maraming salamat po. Immortal Family, abangan niyo po yan. Star Cinema Family, ABS-CBN Family. As a family, maraming salamat sa mga directors po namin. Si Direk Jerry Sineleng, Direk Chiteronio, and si Inang Olive Lamasan, salamat po. And sa makeup po ngayon, si Jigs Mayuga, maraming salamat. And may hairstyle sa Ate Josie. Si Pam Cañona, salamat din. Si Tita Malu Santos, maraming salamat po sa suporta. Tita Cory, Ma'am Charo, sure hindi ako makinga. And of course, syempre sa mga fans na walang sawang sumusuporta, Asian Republic, Originals, Internationals, PBA, nagkakaranta ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Sa lahat na nagmamahal sa'yo.
Yes.
Alright!